5/15/2020. Options expiration Friday. Amazon.com gets slammed. Yeah, it did. And we bought the call options. Once again, let's go through why. We got down here to the 23.50 strike price. We were at a zero IR. That's when the call options were at their lowest. And each 16th today is only $2.38 on Amazon. So we've had one, two, three of them come up. We bought that when that IR was at a zero. We know that that has to go higher in price. We know how it will set up. We know that the markets are tanking today, and they are. And so basically, once again, going with the bottom, going with the buy target, the calls are at their lowest price. Learn how to trade options. The tape has been open now for almost 2 hours, hour and 45 minutes. So we can see how it's setting up nicely for the expiration. We got the call options at their lowest price compared to everyone else. And when they were $29 a contract, we bought those $8 below the market. That took out all our risk. And we are the low and we'll stay in it. We know what it has to do to go higher. We do this every day with it. When that gets to a zero IR, we go in and we buy it. We're making money right now. We can continue to hold it. It can pull back. It can set up like this. And once again, the markets have been selling off all morning, but we got wholesale on options expiration Friday. And those are the calls that we went ahead. That's a 2,350 call option. It's $22 off of the high and only 557 off of the low. But it's setting up once again how to buy the options wholesale on the 2350.